Now before we dive in, if you find my videos useful, make sure to click that subscribe button and also make sure to click that bell icon on the side to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH Online, also for the latest updates. Alright, let's dive in. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to give you guys a quick recommendation on which case to buy. Now these are the cases that I'm using right now officially for my Samsung Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. I was using the same exact case for my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and also my S9 before this. So this is official from Samsung, and there are two reasons that I do love these guys. One of them is the fact that they're very stylish, and the other one is the fact that they have kickstands. And with this newest iteration over here, you actually get multiple kickstands. So you get one kickstand here, and you get one kickstand here. I'm going to show you how that looks in a second, and I'll show you why you would need the two kickstands. But again, let me just flip this phone over real quick, this one right here, and let's log right into it. And as you can see, even from the front, it grips the phone really close, all right? So the phone doesn't look too bulky, yet this is a very extremely protective case for your smartphones. So here's the official cover right over here. Okay, so that's what you would go to the store and buy. So I got this color as well because that is my favorite, but you can get it in the blue color that I'm showing you right over here, which is also pretty cool. This is the one that I like to have. Now if you flip this over, you'll see that it does have drop protection. So it's tested for shock and drop resistance. And of course, if I zoom in over here and read that over here at the bottom, it says tested using US military standard A10G method. So that's actually quite a powerful method to drop test cases. You can actually Google that and see all the details regarding the method and how protective it is. But just from experience and the fact that I use these cases on my past smartphones, I can tell you that they're very good cases. They're very protective cases. Now this is a quick review of this case. I already have used these cases. I've approved them. I've recommended them. So I didn't make a review right away, but I'll be making a full review for you guys so you can check from every angle. But just the basics, again, stylish case, fit and finish is perfect. So you get perfect fit around the edges. There's no exposed locations. Of course, all your ports are fully exposed if you have to access any one of these guys. And of course, on the side, you've got the power button and the Bixby button, fully protected, but also fully accessible, all right? So I'm gonna drop a link down below, and let me quickly show you how they look in their kickstand form in both of the different angles. So this one gives you one angle, and this one gives you another angle. Let me show you that, and then you can go check the link out, and I will come back with a full review for this case for you guys. So then, as you can see, that right there is angle number 1, okay? And if I go to the back over here, you'll see that that's the bigger kickstand, and that's how the phone looks, and that's how you can watch gorgeous movies on this gorgeous screen right on the kickstand. And let's flip this over real quick and activate the other kickstand just like that. And with this one, you get a little bit different style view. So the phone is more tilted downwards. So it really depends on what kind of angle you need to watch. So with the other one, it's going to be like this. With this one, it's going to be like this. But you do have those two kickstands. That's fantastic, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.